Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group, and we are back with another walkthrough Wednesday. Today I'm so excited because I am here with Lynda Winters with ICI Homes, and we are in the Weston Townhomes, which we haven't been in quite a while. So I'm super excited to be walking through this. Lynda is going to be walking us through a quick move-in home. So Lynda, please take it away. Tell us where we're at.
Absolutely. Hello, everyone. Welcome. I'm so excited to share with you our in unit today, which is actually the Bartram. It is 1848 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with a 2-car garage. And just a little information about our Weston Townhomes. It is a maintenance-free community. So just come, relax, and don't worry about work on the weekends.
All
So
right.
come on in and let's take a look.
Okay. One of the things that makes Weston so wonderful, if you're unfamiliar with this area, is it is right in the heart of the town center. So you are here in the Nocatee town center area with all the retail and commercial.
As you're coming in, to your right, this is where your actual living room space would be.
Large area.
Yes, and look how beautiful the windows are, nice light coming in. And in the kitchen, just to kind of share with you, one of the things that ICI do is the round corners on the countertops, which is considered to be like an upgraded feature for us. We also do the gourmet, which is your microwave oven stacked. And our cabinets are going to have the soft close on them.
Love that. I love that you guys went all the way to the ceiling with that, giving like tons of storage.
Yes, so we did do the double stack cabinets in here, which is really nice. The single bowl on the island here, as far as the sink, absolutely beautiful. All of the recessed cans that we have in the kitchen and throughout the home as well.
Absolutely. Yeah, I love that you guys chose a pretty clean and white design package with this one. And of course, being on an in unit, you get all this natural light that you wouldn't maybe normally get in a townhome.
And let me just show you all of this space that you have underneath your staircase here, which is your pantry. Is very oversized for you. You can actually go around that curve.
Thing goes deep.
Yeah, it does.
That's great.
And as you're leaving the kitchen, right in front is going to be your dining room space. We actually have a model of this Bartram floor plan that you can come and take a look for the placement of your furniture. Our interior designer came in, and it is absolutely beautiful how she laid it out.
Love it. I love it. It's kind of an entertainer's dream. You've really got that living, dining, kitchen area all in one, which is great.
So to your left here is going to be a powder room for you downstairs for your guests.
It's great. No one's having to run upstairs to go. Then use your restroom. And then 2-car garage through those doors.
And it is a 2-car garage.
Awesome.
And I love as you're going up the staircase here how you have the landings, which makes it easier going up.
Yeah, that's great. And as a reminder, as a Weston resident and a Nocatee resident, you have access to all the incredible amenities. Specifically for Weston, though, you are so close to all of the water parks. You've got the Weston Park close by, so tons of amenities. Of course, the Greenway trails, all within walking distance of this neighborhood.
So as you come up the staircase, this is a flex space. A lot of families use it as an office, a library, it could be a study room. So it's just basically a room that you can provide different activities in for your family.
Good size.
To the left, you have 2 secondary bedrooms.
These are both great size as well, too. Nice walk-in closet.
And you have your luxury vinyl plank throughout.
That's beautiful.
No carpet.
Love that it was carried throughout.
Yes. Families love that. No carpet at all.
Agreed.
And in the secondary bathroom, if you notice, we took the tile flooring all the way to the ceiling.
I love that. And one thing that I even mentioned before we started filming is I love that there is a door that separates the shower as well as the toilet room. So that's great.
And right behind you, as you're stepping back, storage space, linen closet for storage here. And as you're walking down the hallway here, you're gonna have your laundry room to the left.
Super convenient. I love that it's on the floor of all the bedrooms, so that's good. There's so many windows and natural light in this house.
Absolutely.
My townhome did not have this.
And in the owner suite, which is absolutely beautiful, you got your transit windows, you have your step tray ceiling. And if you guys notice, blinds are already installed throughout the home as well.
Yeah, this is a great size room. You could fit definitely a king size bed and 2 large end tables easily, with multiple dressers as well.
Absolutely. And this is going to be your owner's bath. Nice oversized shower.
I love all of the space too on the vanity. I love the pull-out drawers there. It just gives you some more room. And it's always hard to tell in the video, but the mirror is massive, which I personally love for someone who gets ready every morning. So definitely well-loved thing.
And you have a nice size walk-in closet as well.
Perfect.
So on the second floor, you have 9 feet ceilings with the 8 feet doors. The 8 feet doors are going to be throughout the home. And on the first floor, which I did not mention, but we actually have 10 feet ceilings on the first floor.
Yeah, which if you were to come in person, you would actually feel it even more than you do when you're on the video here. So, but Lynda, please remind the viewers where we're at, how they can get in contact with you, where we're located, all that kind of good stuff.
Okay, so we're actually located here at the Weston Townhome Models, and the address, which would be easy to get here, is going to be 78 Woodworth Lane, and that's going to be Ponte, Florida. My number is 904-536-3119, and I look forward to seeing you soon, or at least talking with you.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Lynda. And you guys are down to very few amount of homes, so this is one of your last. So you're kind of in a closeout.
Yes.
So if you're interested in this home, you certainly want to come out here and speak with Lynda here at the model. Obviously, she just gave you the address. So we hope to see you guys soon. Definitely want to come check it out. Have a great rest of your day. We'll see you guys next time.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.